Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm going to show you how to make Tartar chicken sando. It's chicken sandwich with Japanese tartar sauce. Chicken sandwich is delicious already, but with eggy and creamy Japanese tartar sauce, it's even better. At the end of the video, I will show you how I build a menu with this Tartar chicken sando, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 2 chicken thigh, 4 tablespoons of potato starch or cornstarch, 2 tablespoons each of sake and soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, Japanese Kewpie mayo if available, 4 eggs, 1/4 of the onion, dry parsley, some salt and pepper, some lettuce, and some bread. I'm using whole wheat English muffin today, but you can use any bread you like. As always, let's do all the cutting first. So onion, I'm using 1/4 of this. Cut the top off, but leave the bottom on. Remove the skin. Here is the bottom. Let's make some slits. Then slice. This is for the Japanese tartar sauce. So let's put it in a bowl and set aside. And chicken. You can make this with the skin on or skin off, either way you like. I like to do it with the skin off. So let's remove the skin. And trim off all the fat. Then into half. Same for the other one. Put sake, soy sauce, some salt and pepper, about half a teaspoon, and garlic paste. Rub it well. And just let it sit for a while. In the meantime, let's boil some eggs for Japanese tartar sauce. Make small cracks at the bottom of the eggs. This is a pointy side and this is a round side on this side. Put some water about halfway up the eggs. Cover with the lid and just bring it to boil. Once it comes to boil, turn the heat to low and let it simmer for 8 minutes. Simmered for 8 minutes. Let's take them out in ice water. This will make it easier to remove the shell later. Then, back to the chicken. While you prepare some vegetable oil in the frying pan, it's about 1 inch from the bottom of the frying pan, over medium to medium-high heat. Let's dust the chicken with the starch. Then into the frying pan. And fry them for 2 to 3 minutes on each side. It looks so good on both sides. So let's take them out and drain. Back to the eggs. Remove the shell and put it in the bowl of minced onion. Mash the eggs. About a teaspoon of salt and pepper. Dried parsley. You can of course use fresh minced parsley. And mayonnaise. Give it a good mix. And Japanese tartar sauce is ready. So here, I have bread, Japanese tartar sauce, chicken, and lettuce, all ready to go. So it's time to assemble. Let's toast the bread. Some lettuce, chicken, generous amount of tartar sauce, and bread. And Tartar chicken sando is ready to go. いただきます。The Japanese tartar sauce is a magic sauce that makes everything so good. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. Tartar chicken sando is bread, but it's carb, so it goes here and it also covers the main. Creamy pumpkin soup, or any soup you like here. Onion salad for one of the side dishes and some sort of pickles for the other one. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!